Hi guys, welcome to another video by AntiquesArena. My name is Walter O'Neill, and in today's video I'm going to show you some pieces that have come over the door again on Friday. It's been one of them weeks where I have bought an astronomical amount of pieces. I've bought jewellery coming out my ears this week. I've bought antiques over the door. I'm going to have to make a dozen videos in the next week or two of stock that's come over the door that's really good. Quite shockingly, to be honest with you, I haven't had this amount of stuff come over the door since I've been here. So I don't know whether it was bill week last week for everybody and everybody's gone, let's go and sell what we got. But I've had some absolutely amazing pieces. So it's been really nice. Small little group today, but it hasn't come in cheap. It owes me £180. Now I'm going to show you the group. And you can see what you think, see whether you think I've had a bargain or not. I've took a bit of a gamble, so we'll see. Good luck. See what you think, guys. Okay, that is £180, guys. As I know, it's not like me. Let's start off with what I consider to be the best. There we have it. It's purports to be a 1960s Breitling chronograph or chronomatic, and it is a beautiful watch without a doubt. It's the 808 model, so it's after 1957 I think it was, but we're into the 60s I believe. But it is a beautiful watch with lovely movement and in lovely condition too. So, is it real? Is it fake? Gonna have to find out. I don't like gambling on watches because the fakes can be really good, but this one does look right to me. It looks real quality. So fingers crossed, guys. That's the first piece. I put it on to the Talking Antiques group this morning and just asked for opinions on whether they felt it was right or not, and so far every single person has come back and said yeah, looks a good one. So if that's right, there's all my money back and a decent profit. Then we have some gold. This had a compass in it, but the compass was all broken and shattered, so I took it out. It's just my gold now, gold content. Or I suppose you could turn it into a locket if you wanted. Here we have a little 9-carat gold brooch, morning brooch with a bit of lock of hair, but it is fully hallmarked there by my fingers, as you can see. We have a beautiful high carat. It's not hallmark, guys, but it is testing up as seriously high carat seal or fob. It's in a rose gold, and to me it's a Georgian one. There's the initials, so it's a HP, or yeah, it looks like HP, and that is really nice. I love these old fobs anyway. And then we have a solid silver Albert. Everything, the bar's silver, all this is silver, this is nickel. So that's probably been replaced at a later stage, but all this, every chain is hallmarked individually, every single link is stamped. So, there we have it, £180. That seal, got to be £45–50 of anyone's money, if not a bit more. That's £30–35. That's scrap, 15–20 quid. That, if it turns out real, will probably end up on my wrist. And that's probably £40 or £50. So I'm going to take a bit of a hit. Let's forget the watch exists, because that's going to go on my wrist. So let's say 45, 90... 120, 130, 140. I'm going to take a £40 hit on this, guys, but I'm going to gain a watch. Yay me! You've got to admit, it's going to look lovely on my wrist. Look at it go. So, that was just Fridays. I always did like these seals, and they always have a good weight. Obviously this polished stone a bloodstone or whatever it is, you know, has some weight to it. But you wouldn't split a beautiful fob seal like that just for the gold. That is a piece of beautiful jewellery that, to be honest with you, would hang on a fob or a necklace or anything. And to be honest with you, if that's your initials, wow, wouldn't you be happy to have that? So, some nice pieces there to go in the shop. The brooch has had a replacement pin. It hasn't got a gold pin, which will affect it. But the brooch itself is gold. So it's still going to be £30, £35, £40, but it's not going to be sold. As you know, the gold will go in my box. So where I said I'm going to take a hit on it, I am going to take a hit because I will sell it. But not at the moment. I'm going to save the gold. So the gold's going away for now. And it is only for now. And then when I sell it, I'll take a hit on it. So the only thing that's actually, out of everything that's being sold right now, is a £45 watch Albert. I know. But on the bright side, I've let some other things go in the shop in order to buy these. And let's be honest, right, I'm going to show you this now, right? You got to admit, right, that's going to look lovely ballet. It really is, isn't it? You can't blame me. And there's no way I could afford a 1965 Breitling for myself otherwise. So there we have it, guys. That was Friday evening's buy-in. I'm going to make a new video now showing you what come in Saturday morning. But what I'm going to do, yeah, I'm going to show you the film, but on the next one I'm going to do an update, because I'm going to put it all onto eBay today, and I'm going to do you an update at the end of the week to let you know how I got off on their items. So hope you enjoyed having a look. If you'd like to comment on the watch, please feel free. I am open to anybody's opinions. I'm going to send it away to be serviced. It's going to cost me £200 or £300 to get it serviced and cleaned. And I'll have a real nice leather strap put on it, a proper leather strap, and be really, really happy. Either that or I'll have a spring-loaded stainless steel one. I may go for something like that, because I do like the spring-loaded straps. I got a couple of Tissots with them straps and I love them. Anyway guys, I'm babbling. I'm going to leave it there. Hopefully you've enjoyed having a look. Beautiful little selection. Cost me a bit of money, but well worth it. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I would appreciate a like and a share. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, leave a comment, let me know you subscribed, and I will give you a thumbs up. At the moment I'm back on eBay, so you'll find me on eBay, AntiquesArena clearance. You'll find me on my own website, AntiquesArena.co.uk and AntiquesArena.com, or, yeah, and sorry, you'll find me on Facebook, Antiques Arena. I have a page on the group, or you can come to the shop, visit me in the shop. It's Antiques Arena, 78 Oxford Street, Mountain Ash, Charlie Foxtrot 45 3 Hotel Bravo. Thanks for watching guys. Bye for now.